Hello kids. Kids, first we learn the colors name, then we write counting 1 to 15. Red color, green color, green color, dark blue color, dark brown color, purple color, purple color. Now we write counting 1 to 15. Red color, red color 1, 1, 2, 2 green color, 2, 3, 3 blue color, 3 blue color, 3, 4, 4 brown color, 4 brown color, 5, 5 purple color, 5, 6, 6 red color, 6, 7, 7 green color, 8, 8 blue color, 8 blue color, 9, 9 brown color, 10, 10 purple color, 10, 11, 11 red color, 11 red color, 12, 12 green color, 12 green color, 13, 13 blue color, 13 blue color, 13, 14, 14 brown color, 14 brown color, 14, 15, 15 purple color, 15 purple color, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.